Artconsulting is where the possibilities are truly limitless. This is the premier division of frameworks. Today's video is about how we constructed a unique department divider in our office. Using the CNC machine, we fabricated pattern-repeating felt sheets to hang between two of our departments. Felt is a good choice to create a subtle and effective divider between rooms, or departments in our case. Its sound-absorbing ability makes it ideal for those louder environments like restaurants or spaces needing more private conversations like offices. We strung these from the ceiling to focus less on the sound dampening aspect and more on the aesthetic appeal of the design. But with Artconsulting, you could accomplish both. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay inspired, stay limitless. Goodbye.